Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at the BANDI Color Skin Magnetic Set. I'm really excited because instead of swatching these just one way, I'm going to show you all 10 colors over clear, white, and black. I really wanted to do it this way so we can just see how much the base color changes the overall look of each magnetic shade and really get a good feel on how versatile this collection really is. I will say I do like the different packaging that BANDI is pulling through this. So if you are familiar with BANDI, they normally do a very like color matching bottle. So normally the base of the bottle is the color of the polish. This time we have a very clean, neutral aesthetic, and we actually have a swatch indicator right on top of the wand. And then here's the swatch card, and we have some beautiful imagery just really tying in the whole collection. I really love the swatch card and just the whole aesthetic of the entire collection. So now what we're going to do is we're going to break each color down. The first color, now this overall color palette, it's a very soft wearable. We have pinks, mauves, neutrals, and some cool tones. And then a few colors are just a little bit more than I expected them to be. They're absolutely stunning. Even though these are more of like the neutral color palette, do not let them fool you. They are still going to give you a lot of like just punch and overall really effortless beauty. So we're going to go ahead and just the first shade we are swatching over the clear. Now, before we hit it with the magnet, it's kind of giving it that effortless glaze effect, which it's giving almost like chrome kind of look, and I'm totally here for it. But the beauty really comes to life when we go ahead and hit it with the magnet. And look at that, it's just seamlessly, this is just one coat. And this is the kind of magnetic pull we're getting in the color. So that's another thing too, is that these are really beautiful with one coat. These are going to be not only good for an all over color, but these are going to be great to incorporate if you love doing a layering effect by mixing in some flakes, some chromes, or some nail art, or just overall delicate nail look. This is going to be a very just clean staple for your collection. And I'm going to show you all the swatches on a clear swatch stick. All right, so over the black, you can definitely see it pulls in something completely different than that clear that we just did. And I really like incorporating a dark base because if you have someone that's in their vampy kind of era, this is a great just way to just enhance that dark color by still giving you that pop of beautiful magnetic pull. And then when we pop it over the white swatch stick, this kind of gives it more of a color payoff, so you're not getting like that beautiful, clear, glassy kind of look. You're going to pull in more of the color of the gel, but yet you're still going to get that like beautiful magnetic pull. So you're going to get best of both worlds today. I'm also going to show you all three swatch sticks lined up without a flash right here, so you can see a good visual on what these colors look like just in your regular room lighting. And I'm also going to show you what the colors look like with the flash on because I just feel like it takes it to another level. It's very delicate, yet it's still beautiful and bold all at the same time. And then what we're going to do now is we're just going to carry on the same process through the rest of the colors. And then the best thing about this collection is that as you're watching it, you can either get all the colors in one collection, or if you have a color that is grabbing your attention, you can add that individual color to your wish list because you can get these individual as well. All right, so let's check out the rest of the colors, and then at the end, we're going to line them all up so you can see the entire full collection on the different backgrounds that we tested out as well. And then I will decide what our favorites are along the way. So let's get into it. Okay, now that we've seen all 10 shades over the clear, white, and black, I feel like you can really see how versatile this collection is. There were definitely some shades that surprised me because it changed the base completely when we swatched it, especially over the black. And then I love how you can really see how the collection's very soft, delicate, but if you use a darker base, it's going to give you something just a little bit more. It's going to give some depth and some contrast. I honestly feel like this collection is really beautiful, and I'm so glad we swatched it this way so we could really see what this collection can bring to the table. I feel like it's great staple colors, the soft blush palette and the pinks. We're pulling in some nudes and neutrals. We have a little bit of warmth mixed in with a little bit of cool tones as well. So we honestly get best of both worlds when it came to this collection. I will say the formula is very nice for being a syrup. It wasn't thick, it wasn't sticky. It really glided over the swatch stick very nicely. So I do appreciate that when I'm playing with the syrup. I just love the formula of this so, so much. All right, so if you had a favorite shade or if you are grabbing this collection, definitely let me know in that comment section below. And everything that you saw in today's video can be found in that description. Stay tuned. We have more new collections coming your way this week. And I will see you all in the next one.